Okay, you remember this piece? It had so much damage and I thrifted it and it really needed makeover. Time for its makeover. First thing we need to do, I cleaned it and then I'm going to prime it with Bonding Boss. Bonding Boss is an adhesion primer, but it's also a stain blocking primer and it prevents bleed through. So with this, those flowers, they were painted on. I just didn't want it bleeding through, so I took care of it. Now I'm gonna add some WoodUbend to really dress this up. This medallion is perfect for this. Putting on some wood glue on the back and heating it up, applying it, it's just that easy. Now I'm using my Big Daddy brush, which is perfect for this. I'm putting two colors on at once. It is Cerulean Blue and London Blue as my base color. I love these two blues together, and the Big Daddy brush being so wide, I can apply two colors at once, and I'm going for the streaky look, and you'll get to see it close up. Don't worry, I do slow it down and show you close up. Now this is Bougainville. I am dry brushing Bougainville, which is a beautiful pink, and now I'm putting on Marigold. Dry brushing these colors on because I'm going for a streaky look. You're gonna see it in just a minute. So getting the colors on, mixing it with some water, and what that water is doing is reactivating the paint, allowing me to soften all those dry brush streaks without the color disappearing. Now far away, you can't see the colors, but I'm gonna show you close up in just a second. You're gonna be able to see what I'm talking about. See those streaks? You can see those colors. I see the pinks, I see the oranges, I see all the blues. Love it. Now I'm taking those colors and I'm dry brushing them over the WoodUbend medallion. And the top, I'm using Voodoo gel stain in AuNaturel. This is gonna even out that terrible tone that's on top of this. Make it look nice and clean and neat. So it evens it out, it hid all those flaws that were on there, and it's so easy to apply. It's a water-based gel stain. Now, I gotta seal the Terra before I can do anything more because it's a clay-based paint. So I'm using Terra Seal, and when you apply it, you're just making sure it's soaking down into that paint because that's gonna make it permanent so it won't reactivate. Now, I'm coming in with Chameleon Waxes. That medallion is gonna look like a jewel. The Chameleon Waxes have that iridescent glow that you can't get from a paint. I absolutely love Chameleon Waxes on WoodUbend. Look at that. Does that not look like a giant gem to you? I think so. I love it. I absolutely love it. So here we go. Finished it up. I did this project in 2 days. That's it. Okay. Hope you enjoyed it.